I hope everyone is okay, doing well in their life. And today we look forward to the big dog, the US dollar price action analysis. I'm not using an indicator, not fancy stuff, paid stuff, anything. I'm using just pure analysis, trend lines, actions, and pivotal levels, important key support demand zones. And we look today at the future of the American dollar before the presidential elections coming in few months. So the American dollar has been in the downtrend since the March. You can see since March we have been in particular downtrend from this levels. You can see in your screen, and we have been falling since March, and it has been really weak dollar. This is the weakest dollar we are seeing in quite some time. And the weakness of this dollar definitely allowed gold, metals like gold and silver to like pump and get in their all-time highs. Like we have seen gold is really pumping. The Indian gold is over 50,000 rupees right now, and the American one is like 1800 USD. So gold is expensive because the dollar is dumping, and the dollar dumps, gold becomes expensive. That's the correlation we generally have right now. But what we are seeing here is after the gold dump from March till September 1st, the September we have seen a gold bottom. DXY bottomed here, DXY bottoming here in September 1st. You can see in your chart I'm making a horizontal line. On September 1st, we saw a dump, which was the bottom of the DXY. As people say it, I am not really sure that this is the bottom, but what we are seeing on the chart is that dollar is making accumulative signs. Why? See, this is called a trend line. We have a trend line. I am just monitoring it, and we are seeing US dollar making the triple rate structure on the daily time frame. Right, this is the daily structure we are seeing on a higher time frame. The dollar is making the triple rate falling wedge structure, which is a clear sign bullish structure. And when I mean bulls, that the US dollar is really looking strong, and hence the assets like Bitcoin and gold will dump a little. I'm not saying that they are over. I think the gold is over. Gold will top out at 50K, but I think that it will take a rest for a few months or so, at least till the presidential election starts. So we see this falling wedge here on the US dollar, and this US dollar breaking out on this 1 month falling wedge on the daily time frame, which is really bullish. What we are seeing here is like after a gradual dump from this support was broken. This was an important level of support at a 95, and then we broke the support and recapitulated, and this capitulation right here allowed gold to rally. And what our Indian parents say that the gold has rallied. It's not because of some events or stuff. It's just only because of the US dollar rally, and this rally allowed the gold to pump, sorry, and the prices to moon, and everyone to panic. And now we are in an accumulative structure on the DXY, breaking this wedge structure. We have this low here right at 92.02, which has been cleared, and SFP called a swing failure problem. We dumped, and we intraday level we pumped out of this level, and then we just moved on and carried out another dump. And this showed me that the dollar is slowly recovering from its weakness. I don't know how. In the fundamentals are really bearish. Inflation talks, the Fed talks, the FOMC, but really it's really looking bearish. So my critical point out is in a slow chart is that this is the important gray box is a level to look at. I will change the color to red. Yeah, if this red level breaks, we are looking forward to the gold gray box. And if the dollar reaches this gray price at 95.72, I'm expecting the Indian gold to reach like 45,000, 44,000, 42,000, which is I think a great price for people to buy it. And the Bitcoin, I'm looking for 8,000 levels, 8,500 levels, the liquidity levels around the lows on the Bitcoin. And this is the US dollar price action index on a like 2 minutes analysis which I have made. So I hope everyone enjoyed it. On a short notice, if we close below this black line at 92.70, we are going to dump. If we break this box at 94, we are going another to moon mission to 95.74. I think that will be the important level for the dollar future. I hope everyone enjoyed this short video which I made.